There is always a commodity out there somewhere breaking out to all-time record highs in 2023. Right now, it's uranium and orange juice prices breaking out to multi-year highs. Not only that, we've also seen gold prices break back above $2,000 per ounce over this week. Alongside that, platinum prices, palladium prices, they've surged over 10% just within the last week and a half. Silver prices, they're back trading near $24 per ounce, and there's been further big opportunities this week to scale in again at lower entries here on crude oil, with a delay to the OPEC meeting, pushing that forward to next week. So again, there's been just back-to-back opportunities to take advantage of the current macro climate that we are seeing right now. Again, major Wall Street banks, they've been banging the drum that we are now in the golden age of trading. And you can absolutely see that with the current range-bound price action that we have, which, as you know, will benefit you if you're actively managing your portfolio, making sure that you're buying low and then locking in those profits high, rinse and repeat, rotating, selling short when the price gets overheated, and then taking advantage of lower prices, which we definitely have right now on crude oil. So as you know, over this week, we've taken the opportunity to yet again buy oil back down towards $74 per barrel. Currently, we have oil just shy of $77 per barrel at the moment. In fact, on Tuesday, where we had the sudden news item regarding OPEC, which were going to delay their meeting right the way through to next week, this immediately caused a knee-jerk reaction lower for oil prices, and a fantastic opportunity for you to sniper in and get even lower prices. So we've stacked out our position here on WTI crude oil. Again, OPEC meeting, that's going to be pushed forward through to next week. The overall expectation will be that that meeting is going to be bullish and provide bullish headwinds for oil prices. As you know, Saudi, they want oil prices back above $100 per barrel as we transition into 2024. Right now, of course, you've got oil which is trading between $76 to $77 per barrel. So yet again, another fantastic opportunity to swoop in nice and low, buy low, and then sell high on the next cycle. Now, as it relates to the precious metals right now, as you mentioned on Tuesday's report, we're now exclusively just on the long side with the metals. Previously, we've taken advantage of some of the selling pressure, especially on gold lately, where we've just had some quick wins to the downside. But now we're exclusively remaining on the long side, buying dips across multiple precious metals. In fact, right now, you've got further opportunities at the moment on platinum, which is starting to come back down towards $900 per ounce. You know I like platinum. Every time it dips back below $900, there's been some very quick trade opportunities on this market over the last couple of weeks, where platinum broke down to $845 per ounce, and just within 2 weeks, it broke out 1,000 points to the upside. In fact, this week with our clients, we banked 1,790 points profit on the breakouts that we saw on platinum, palladium, on crude oil as well. So again, you know that calculation, but just in case you don't, for every 1 lot contract you'll be trading, that's $17,900 of profit. For every 10 lot contract that you'll be trading, that's $179,000 of profit just in 2 weeks across very straightforward trades on platinum, palladium, and also crude oil. Now we have gold at the moment, which is currently consolidating just below $2,000 per ounce. We've also got silver, which is consolidating just below $24 per ounce as well, as we get beyond Thanksgiving now into Black Friday. And of course, as we go into next week, it's the very last few trading days of November. Then we're transitioning into a new cycle for the month of December. Yet again, we're exclusively just on the long side, with multiple commodities now buying on the dips, continue to stack into those trades. At the moment, the biggest opportunities that I do see, they reside on platinum. If we get a break back below $900 per ounce or lower, crude oil, of course, I like it all the way down to $72 per barrel. This week, we're able to sniper in and get another position on at $74 per barrel, but really the lower the better in terms of stacking out further positions on that market. Palladium, of course, if we do get a break back below $1,000 per ounce or lower, that should also provide a fantastic opportunity as well. And we're already nicely stacked here across multiple precious metals to take advantage of further upside once we start seeing gold break and close and start to pump above 2,000 US dollars per ounce. Similar on silver as well. Once we start to get that breaking close above $24 per ounce, this is where you can really start to see those precious metals do well over the month of December. This is again where you really want to be actively managing your portfolio. As Goldman Sachs have stated it best, we are now in the golden age of trading. You've got 6 weeks left to really crush it, to end the year strong on a high and take advantage of the current massive opportunities which have been presented with commodities. This is going to come back to utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence. If you would like to join our community of successful traders, this is where you really want to be learning the professional research-driven approach to the market, where you will be utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence. Further align that with the daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, real-time data-driven cycle for each commodity. That will help you massively to get your sniper entries in and bank your windfall amount of profits. Further align that with the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, of course the capital flows and the key areas of liquidity that are targeted. That will help massively with your sniper entries and also banking your profits too. And then further compound that with how the hedge funds, the money managers, the banks, the institutions, how they're all positioned in the market in real time. This is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to join our professional mentorship program.